Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.4.3 LTS version on Ubuntu 22.04. Open any web browser. First we will download, then we will install. Go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads. Then scroll down. Then click on MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server. Then select the MySQL Server version. See here we have 8.4.3 LTS version at the time of making this video. So select it. Then select the operating system. So select Ubuntu Linux. Then select the version of the OS. Okay. So here we have the Ubuntu Linux 22.04. Select it. Now see here. Once you selected, populated list of the Debian package. So instead of downloading all these individual packages, just download this Debian package bundle, that is MySQL Server 8.4.3.Debian bundle.tar file. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download has been started and its size is 476 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now we have to untar this tar file. Open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. Now we have to untar this one. So use the command tar-xf. Then give MySQL and give the tab to autofill the tar file name. Hit enter. It is done. ls. See here, extracted all Debian packages. So we have to install these Debian packages. Before that, run this command. I will keep this command in the video description. Type and hit enter. We have to run one more command. This one. I will keep both these commands in the video description. Control A, ls. Now install MySQL 8.4.3 by running the commands dpkg-i, then give the star.deb. Hit enter. Now provide the password for the root account. Hit enter, confirm the same, then click on OK or hit enter. We have successfully installed MySQL 8.4 on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, let us verify. Control A, sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL service is running. Okay, and it is enabled. See here. Okay, you to quit. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Hit enter. Then provide the password that we have given at the time of installation and hit enter. See, we have successfully connected MySQL server 8.4.3. Let us verify the version by running the commands. Select version, put semicolon at the end and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed MySQL 8.4.3. To verify list of databases, use the command show databases. See, these are the list of the databases that comes with installation of MySQL 8.4 on Ubuntu Linux. To create database, run the command create database, then give the database name. Now again verify, show databases. See, new database is there. If you want to switch to this new database, use the command use is the keyword, then provide the database name. Now verify list of tables in this database. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables, so let us create a table. Now verify again, show tables. See, one table is created. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we got all the. If we give star means it retrieved all column values. If you want only particular columns, we have to give like column names like here. Okay. If you want to verify list of users, show users. This will throw error. Just I want to show you the error and solution. So we have to run the command select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. Until now, we have performed actions on MySQL command line client, but we can also connect to MySQL by using MySQL Workbench or debugger. You can go through video description and see how to install MySQL Workbench on Ubuntu Linux. If you want to exit from this MySQL, give the exit. Now, if you want to start and restart MySQL on Ubuntu machine, then give the command sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Verify the status sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL service is stopped. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password of MySQL user. See, we are unable to connect to MySQL server because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status again. See, MySQL service is started. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL. Provide the password of root account. See, we have successfully started. Exit. Now we will see how to restart. Use the same command. Just to replace this start with restart MySQL. We have successfully restarted. Okay, so in this video we have successfully installed MySQL 8.4 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So now we are going to remove all these files because we have installed MySQL successfully. So these files are not required anymore. rm ud $.deb. Hit enter. ls. See, here we have only one file left. Remove that one also. rm MySQL. Hit enter. ls. Okay, we have successfully cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.4.3 LTS version on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. For more MySQL and Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.